Efficient Fleets, where video meets GPS fleet tracking. Efficient Fleets combines driver footage along with GPS tracking features and reports to revolutionize your fleet management. Built from the ground up with cameras in mind, our intuitive web-based tracking application comes with all the traditional GPS fleet tracking features you are used to, including trip trail history, fleet productivity reports, and more. We've also made it easy to retrieve and review all your driver videos stored in the cloud with just a few simple clicks. You can also use the application to live stream your drivers' trips to check up on their daily activity in real time for both roadside and driver-facing dashcam video feeds. The application will also take periodic driver snapshots triggered by certain safety violations. All snapshots can be organized by category for easy viewing. These categories include texting while driving, not wearing a seatbelt, and eating while driving. In the event of a vehicle accident, Efficient Fleet's dashcams can provide high-resolution video evidence to exonerate your drivers from liability, expedite drawn-out insurance claim processes, and prevent needless payouts. You can also take a proactive approach to driver safety by reviewing distracted driving events, such as texting, drowsy driving, and more. All driver events are tallied up and calculated into individual scorecards for each driver that can be used to assess performance and improve overall safety. If you would like to learn more about our fleet dashcams that include full GPS, improved driver safety, and no contracts, call us today at 210-209-8026 or visit efficientfleets.com.